Welcome to this episode on cottage garden plants. One of my favourite plants is the beautiful Pelargonium, also called geranium. They are very hardy, will grow and thrive anywhere, especially in dry places. They come in white, pinks, reds and apricots and have a climbing variety as well. Feverfew is a herb with fresh daisy-like flowers. Spanish lavender, also called stochas, is a short lavender that attracts the bees. Jasmine is a climber with a delightful perfume. Echiums, also called Pride of Madeira, grow into a bush. It has the most exotic tall blue spires of flowers, which attract bees and honey-eaters. Daisy plants are the stalwart of any cottage garden. They usually grow as a bush and are a great garden filler. They come in many colours. Daisies come in white, lemon, yellow and pink. African daisies stay low to the ground. They come in a variety of colours of yellow, red, pink, orange and a lovely hot pink. One of my favourites is Kiss Me Quick, also called Kiss Me Kate or Red Valerian. It comes in a variety of pinks and white. Succulents are hardy in a cottage garden as they don't need much water. This one is Crassula ovata or large jade and grows into a bush size. The low growing one is Fairy Crassula or London's Pride. Hollyhocks add that stately height to any garden. They come in a variety of colours, including this rich burgundy. Calendulas bring sunshine into a garden. They come in yellow and orange, in single and double flowers. They attract bees and are great for companion planting. They are used in herbal medicines to treat cuts and bruises. I love bulbs. They are so easy to grow. Just plant and forget until their beauty appears later in the year. Jonquils have a strong perfume. They come in single and double flowers. Snowflakes have those little white caps with green dots. They look like fairy caps and pop up early in winter each year. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and come back to visit my garden soon.